Back at it again, man. In the laboratory, man. We finna change these out real quick, man. Let's get to it, man. Y'all know what it is, man. Change them boys out too, man. We're gonna get to that. We're gonna get to that. We're gonna get to that. Man. We're gonna get to where we at with it. We're gonna get to that. Where we at with it. We're gonna get to those and some more, man. Oh yeah. Forgot about that part. Whew. And we're gonna get to these, man. Gotta get those, man, because y'all seen on my last video he upgraded to them bad boys. Yeah, so we gotta get those done for sure, man. But let me get myself together, man.
Yeah. You know what? See, you showed me that, man. I even said, you know what? I can go for a bullet. A baby, you know, then he gonna love me. He gonna know me. Yeah. And he gonna be attracted.
Very. It's showstopper every time.
Yeah, women gonna be like, dang.
Like this car. Every time you step out.
Yeah. And I want an all white. Nigga put that hoe in that car, ride that hoe.
What?
That all white bullet.
Hey, good dogs.
I seen that. And his dog was laid back.
Boy.
They ain't tripping.
I ain't tripping it. Unless somebody.
But they can't get down though.
If they tripping with you, that's the only time. They trip with you. And then they do some sneaky stuff. They'll walk around. They walk around real calm.
But you saying you can bond with them?
It's the best, one of the best dogs to bond with. Like, if I call my partner on FaceTime right now and show you this dog, he come here, girl.
How you bond with
Sit
them?
down.
But I ain't never had no dogs.
Man, you
just feed it?
Just like a woman. Just like a kid.
Yeah.
He talked to me, he said, come here, girl. Most of the time, when he cut her, so most of the time, that dog would be right there up on him. While he trying to cut her, like, get your ass over there. She just like a little baby, you know what I'm saying? Dog just love being up under him. But then...
So what you get a bar girl?
That dog...
I'm like, what you get?
I was thinking, I said maybe a girl, cause you know...
Yeah, but they said them all have periods.
Yeah, they do. But then that's why I said, maybe a boy then.
You don't want no period. I found out they bleed just like real people.
I had a girl, bully. Yeah, I see it, man. Lights on, lights off, like Mr. Miyagi. Man, hold up. Thing's ready.
You You know, a lot of niggas be thinking that your car's through until they start looking at another nigga shit. That's when you realize, oh man, my shit ain't through.
Wow. Million things you can do. Change these boys out real quick. I really grabbed me a little screwdriver. I mean, a little nail to get up in there. See, y'all see that? Cause there's a little piece, little parts right there. You just put.
Yeah, they charge you $6.
Pop the little things out.
$6 for something. They
Pop the
charge
little boys
another
out.
$6.
Trying to my phone charger while I'm doing it though. Let me get these out real quick, man. They hard. They really hard to get out. Figure out how I'm gonna get it out.
Don't worry about all that, man. As long as you still talking to these, as long as you talking to these, you good. Don't worry about all that. Yeah,
Uh-oh. That go one more. Okay. I like these little things right here. I ain't never seen them. Like these boys right here. Look at that.
They don't like you. I don't give a damn.
It's kind of easy to get them up in there too because they longer.
Well, do what you do then. Is that what you want to do? Come on. Shit, I ain't stopping you, crazy woman.
Yeah. Them things cool, man. That's the fog glass right here.
Man, them old sexy. Ooh, them old look nice. How could you not? Because they got to catch up to them headlights.
Yes, sir. We're going to get that done, man. Right now. Right now, right now. Go in that front right here, man. I could do that. I'm so little. My arms just so little, yeah. I really don't have to bust a lot of this stuff down on these cars like other people do because my hands and my wrists and stuff so small. And I do it the right way, man. In unique fashion, man. I had to remove this air duct. I don't know if y'all can see it. Yeah, I had to pull that air duct back right there. Y'all see that light right there. Twist the roof. Pull them out. Snap them in. Hold up. Damn, they got one. Yeah, and they save energy too, a lot of energy. That's why everybody be laughing. That's why I started laughing, because everybody know that's all I do is put LEDs on everything. Got LEDs in the tub. Yeah, that's like this. See almost like this right there, it's by itself. These are the brakes. I just didn't know. Halo restrooms in there. Oh yeah. on the camera there, but them lights actually is kind of, you know what I'm saying? Look at this. He had to get it, man. He had to get the flowers lights, man. That's hard. Check out the wheels. Yeah, man. To be honest with you, hold on. Hold up, yeah. Dang, stuff out here. Get down dirty with that boy, man. Damn, that boy shiny as hell. Oh my god. Shiny, man. Y'all know what it is, man. It's that drip, man. It's a whole lot of drip, man. Yeah, man. It's a shifty thing, man. Check out that view right there. Come on now. Come on now. Really, who that boy fighting up there, man? Come on, man. Thing up there, beastie. Let them turn signals on that joint. Y'all already know what it is, man. Hey, make sure you hit that like, subscribe. Boy, my finger is so dirty, boy. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe button for me, man. The like button, it look like this, without the dirt. Subscribe
Don't let nobody stop your shine. Don't let nobody stop your grind, man. It's DZ Chevy Gang.